I made about 20 wheelbarrow loads yesterday, and this is the big chunk that I took out. We still have quite a bit to go, and we'll take care of that this morning. The loads of dirt that I brought down went in the top level, and it took care almost up to the top, but the plan is to drop the dirt into this level and then scoop it to the other two levels over there and this level down here. We thought it would be easier than bringing the buckets down. So we will continue right now. It is pretty much cloudy and cool, so we should do pretty good today. We're hoping, or at least I'm hoping, to get all of that dirt down here. And the planting that I did looks pretty good. We had some more rain last night, so that should do them very well.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.